If you can get beyond the pair of creepy, googly eyes, this robot wants to be your friend and teacher. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can sign up for my free newsletter. The robot is named Doly, and it's an open source education platform, an AI-powered robots lab, and a personal assistant wrapped into one device. It can show you different emotions, display useful information, or even act as a digital clock. Doly also has an onboard camera, touch sensors, Bluetooth Wi-Fi, and a charging unit. It can talk to you, listen to you, even remember your name. The robot can also move around on 2 tank threads, raise its arms for a fist bump, and attach fun accessories with magnetic mounts. Doly is not just a toy, it is a powerful learning tool that can teach you programming and coding. Doly is also a customizable device that can be upgraded, modified, and expanded with 3D printed parts, and it comes with a mobile app for easy control and settings. Doly is a Kickstarter campaign where pledge levels currently start at $289. If all goes according to plan with the already funded campaign, the company estimates shipping will start in August. Are you getting my newsletter? Head to cyberguy.com, click the red button, and you can get it for free.